Hi guys, very good morning. Venki here from Industry Collections. Thank you so much for watching all my videos and sharing your likes and sharing all your comments. I really thankful to all of you. And anyone, if you are not subscribed so far, please do subscribe and please keep watching my videos. Okay, let's get into today's episode. Yes. Okay, what we are going to see today? Today we are going to see something about COVID and what exactly we did during the COVID lockdown and what exactly our young generation they feels about COVID and how really they made use of this COVID lockdown situation to learn something new which they haven't done so far or how really they spent during this time. So just I thought of asking this question to different young generation throughout India, using my contacts. I shared this question, okay, and just I asked them to share their experience, what exactly they feel. So let's get into the video and let's exactly see what exactly they wanted to convey from their end.
Hello, my name is Ashita. I am 7 years old, and today I am going to show you what I have learnt in this lockdown period. I have learned to paint pots. See, these are looking beautiful now. I have learned cycling without side wheels. Bye. In this lockdown period, I have learned skating. And in this lockdown period, I have learned cooking. देखो कितना है. See, I have learned something creative. See, the next, it is white. This is very good. And I'm not colored, but it is looking nice. These are fruits. And this is peacock. And this is my owl. And this is Ganeshji. Now I have my Ganesh tree, and when I think I have forgot, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and you have also your Ganesh ji na? I have also see. I have two Ganesh ji. I have enjoyed this lockdown period. And you also enjoyed. Bye.
हेलो, कैसे हैं आप सब। मेरा नाम है जनिन दोषी और मैं भारत देश के छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य के रायपुर शहर से बात कर रहा हूँ। और जैसे हमसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे कि आपका लॉकडाउन कैसे जा रहा है, तो मेरा जो लॉकडाउन है वो शुरुआत में तो बहुत ही मजेदार था और बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग था। हम सब ने बहुत घर बैठ के बातें की, फैमिली के साथ रहे, मस्ती की एंड ऑल। बट अब वो एक्चुअल में बोरिंग हो रहा है क्योंकि हमारी स्टडीज इफेक्ट हुई है एंड जो डिसीजंस डिले हो रहे हैं उसके कारण हमारा फ्यूचर थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया है, डिट्रैक्ट हो गया, थोड़ा पीछे हो गया है। और जैसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा गया कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, तो नई चीजों में मैंने ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन मैंने वीडियो बनाना स्टार्ट किया एंड ऐसे ही फेस कैम पे इसी जगह पर बैठ के मैं वीडियोस बनाने लगा। एंड मैंने देखा कि मेरे जो कंटेंट्स है, मेरे जो टॉपिक्स है इंस्टाग्राम पे लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहे हैं, लोग बहुत अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरा हर कंटेंट और टॉपिक अपने आप से अलग है और नया है। सो मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ क्रिएटिव कर रहा हूँ और अपनी स्पीच और अपनी इंटेलेक्चुअल को इनहेंस कर रहा हूँ। साथ ही मैं अपने भाई के साथ शेयर ट्रेडिंग भी कर रहा हूँ, सीख रहा हूँ। मैंने क्लास उससे नॉलेज भी ली है एंड बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है ये जो मैं इस लॉकडाउन के ड्यूरिंग कर रहा हूँ। सो मेरा बस यही मैसेज है और मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग भी अपने अपने घर पे सेफ रहे, सुरक्षित रहे और अपने फैमिली के साथ, अपने दोस्तों के साथ डिस्टेंस बना के रखिए क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक ऐसा है कि क्या कर सकते हैं। और जितना हो सके उतना बाहर कम जाइए। एंड थैंक यू सो मच ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए और हमारे एक्सपीरियंस जानने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Hello, this is Tanushree Tiwari. I have done most work of animal welfare during lockdown. I have enjoyed COVID-19 lockdown. Mostly, I always get busy in the field of animal welfare. By the way, I always been busy in preparing food for stray dogs and to give them treatment, to feed them. I never got bored during lockdown. I had no time to rest. I kept myself busy all the time so that I don't feel bored. Being away from studies was a bit boring.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚತುರ್ಮತಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಮೂಲತಃ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರದವಳು. ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಕಲಿತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ವೇನೋ, ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳೋ ಕುತೂಹಲದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಡುಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಅಡುಗೆ ಆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಿರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಂಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿದಿರಿಗೆ, ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕಲಿತೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿತೆ, ಹಾಡಾಡೋದು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಸಮಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಆಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಡೋಣ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಕೂಡ. ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋದಂದರೆ ಅದೇ, ಆ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Shoaib Pasha. Experience of mine in COVID-19 is very important and it was full of learning and I am enjoying this time period. But there are certain difficulties also as per our job routines and the life that we have become caged nowadays. So it is little bit problematic also. COVID has helped me a lot to learn about the hygienity and safety of us. I have become more precautionary nowadays.
To me, I, Karnika Patnaik, here to extend my views and thoughts on the topic, my duties towards this current situation, COVID-19. Globally accepted Srimad Bhagavad Gita widely praises that whenever there is decline in righteousness and increase in dreadfulness and sinfulness, at that time to support the righteousness and to protect the right, Lord Vishnu takes over the earth age after age. Since childhood, we have been learning, remembering easily. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. But who knew that nature would teach us more dreadfully and precisely? Government took many measures to make us aware, but they failed. And literally, one slap from Mother Nature made us responsible in no time. Dear friends, it's a bitter truth that we have imposed misery pains on the Mother Nature. Not only Mother Nature, but also humanity. We have lost our humanity. And it's the time to realize our mistakes. It's the time to make our mistakes and take over our responsibility. It's not the time to blame each other. It's the time to support each other. It's the time to help each other to face the dreadful situation. It's not you or me. It's us. And we are going to bring end to this COVID-19 all together and come up voluntarily to heal humanity. Let's enlighten humanity in all of us. Let's be a part of the sorrows of those people who are even struggling to get 2 times meals. Let's not hate the saviors of our life. Let's not hate the workers of nation. Instead, respect their dedication, respect their reckless service to the nation. Let's support the government. Let's respect their support. Let's support the government and stay at home. Stay home, stay safe. Save humanity, be human. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram.
This lockdown was quite interesting as well as boring, but then the lockdown has taught me a lot of things, and I was a person who was not interested to cook, but then I started to learn to cook because of this lockdown, and I'm happy that I did something productive.
So you all enjoyed the responses that we received from these young generations for today's video. So likewise, I'll be sharing one more volume. So because I am getting a lot of response from different my contacts, different young chaps, all those people are just sending their videos. So just I'll be sending another 1 or 2 volumes more, just to get a different perspective from young generation across India. Let's keep watching and stay tuned, guys. Thank you so